Hello, welcome back to my channel. On my last tutorial, we learned about rectangle command. You can find the links of my previous tutorials in the description below. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about circle, arc and slot command. So let's start with circle command. Now select the circle sketch entity from the sketch command manager tab. In the property manager on our left, you can see the circle types. There are two types of circle and perimeter circle. You can find these options from this drop down also. Now select the circle command. This command is used mostly when you know the center point location and its radius from the drawing. So first click for center point location and second click for radius. Now after drawing the circle, you can see here you can input your parameter x and y coordinates for center location and radius of the circle. So 0 0 for center point location and 25 mm for radius. Click OK. It creates a circle whose center point is on the origin and its radius is 25 mm. But this input will not define your sketch. To define the circle, you have to give dimensions and sometimes you need to give relations as well. Remember one thing, before creating your 3D part, you should fully define your sketch. You can check your sketch status down here in status bar. Fully defined sketch appears in black color. Blue sketch indicates your sketch is underdefined. So to define the circle, you need to define your center point of the circle. So I drag this center point to the origin. Now you can see a yellow box appear which give a relation of coincident with the origin. Now you have to give the radius of the circle. So I am using dimension. Now you can see your circle is fully defined and it appears in black color. Now next option is perimeter circle. This command is mostly used when you have some defined references like any point or any line or any defined edges. For this I will give an example. Draw this rectangle giving relation with the origin horizontal, length of rectangle, width of rectangle, of distance from the center or origin. Now you can see your rectangle is fully defined. Now if I want to draw a circle taking reference of these three lines, so select the option 3-point circle, first point, second point and third point. Now you can see your circle is also fully defined. So you can use this option when you have some reference. Now next is arc. Click on the arc command. Here you can see there are three types of arc. First one is center point arc, second one is tangent arc, last is 3-point arc. Click on the first option, center point arc. For that you have to define first center point of the arc, then drag your cursor first end point and second end point. Next one is tangent arc. If you want a tangent arc with respect to this line, then you can use this type of tangent arc command. Now click on the last point of the line and drag your cursor and give the direction of the tangential arc. You can also continuously draw the tangential arc. Escape. Now you can see it gave a relation, tangent relation to the respective arc. Now next option is 3-point arc. Here you can select first point, first endpoint, second endpoint, then direction of the arc. Okay, that's all for arc. Next is slot. Here you have four types of slot: straight slot, center point straight slot, 3-point arc slot, and center point arc slot. First select the straight slot. For that you have to give first center point of the arc, second center point of the arc, then width of the slot. Next one is center point straight slot. Here first point is the midpoint of the axis of the slot, midpoint of the axis of your slot. Then second on the center of the arc of the slot, and then width. Next one is 3-point arc slot. Here first point is center point of the arc, next one is second center point of the arc, next one is direction of the curvature, then width of the slot. Last option is center point arc slot. Here first point is center of the curvature, first point, then second point, then width of the slot. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.